What's your body count?
I was so happy I didn't get that one. Strong.
Ah!
Oh.
Wagwan subbies! You know we're here for a good time?
And a long time.
We're here for a good time. We're here for a good time.
Oh, God.
Make sure to subscribe because we're here for a good time and a long time. Smash the like button. We got a new video for you guys today. Share this video with somebody because you're gonna get laughed as we are a married couple and it's gonna get very interesting. By the title, you don't know what's going down. We are going to answer some questions that.
So it's truth or drink.
Yeah.
So we're gonna, if you don't want to answer your truth, you have to drink. But in my case, since I'm not drinking, I had to come up with a creative way.
Yeah, because you know she can't drink, guys, and
so
she's breastfeeding as you know.
Still,
yeah.
But I have mustard, I have lime juice, some nasty stuff. So if I don't answer or I don't want to answer, I'm gonna have to take like a mouthful of that. I don't really want to, so I'm gonna try and answer everything.
And Daniel, you don't know, she hates mustard. Hashtag hates mustard right now.
I think that's my arch nemesis.
Yeah, she really does hate mustard. Just to let you guys know, the drink of choice that I have to drink here today, guys, which is not my favorite, is Patrol. And yeah,
I don't know how he's gonna survive.
Yeah, this is real shots going out, guys.
This has been in the freezer.
It freezes us. It's a well cool, and you know it does burn up my chest.
I don't know if he's gonna live to see.
I might get drunk after this video, so hashtag get drunk right now.
What? 4 o'clock?
Yeah, I'm gonna have a hangover after this right now. Team Chad, Team Daniel, let's see.
Yeah, Team Daniel.
Comment down below who's gonna win this challenge here, guys, and see who can answer all the questions without any drinking.
So we have all our questions in this hat.
We have 6 each for
6.
Yeah, we're gonna pick out.
I think it's 11 or 12.
Yeah, maybe 11 or 12. So we do 5 and 6.
So one person may get lucky.
Yeah.
Okay.
Which is probably me.
I bet you I'm gonna get the worst question. Oh my God! Have you ever had a lap dance?
Have you ever had a lap dance? Me no remember giving you a lap dance. Have you ever had a lap dance? I don't recall giving you a lap dance.
Maybe. Can you? Yes. I don't want the mustard. I'm gonna say yes.
No, move from me, man.
Love you. Oh, this is gonna be interesting.
Very interesting. So you just not gonna answer, you never had a lap dance?
I said yes.
Tell your experience.
Well.
Because it was definitely not me.
It was at,
and we need to know.
It was at a strip club actually.
Oh, okay.
But I was with my cousin, so it doesn't count.
What? What? Alright, on to the next one. I go hold this real quick. Alright, let me see. Remember, I can't read, so hold on, give me a couple seconds here. Secret that you're too embarrassed to say.
So what is a secret you're too embarrassed to say?
I mean, it's not a secret anymore, I'm telling you, right? I'm trying to figure out what is a secret. I mean, I tell you guys
you haven't told anybody. Something that is so embarrassing. I don't think you have much because you tell everybody everything.
Yeah, I tell everybody everything. So for that, I go drink. Just for
okay.
I go drink.
I'll pour it.
Of course you love to pour it. Mr. Lay, I think what kind of
I won't
secret
give it all the way up to the top because I know that you probably haven't had this in a long time.
Yeah, I might get a hangover. Right. Cheers.
Cheers.
Still I think what kind of secret I have.
Strong.
Ah!
Oh. It sucks to be you.
My junk.
Sucks to be you.
Let me shake it for you guys. I don't want you to be cheating, you know. Shake it up. Go ahead. Pick out.
I'm so scared.
Be careful what you choose. You know,
I want a good one.
Mustard is next.
Oh,
or no, lime.
No,
lime first.
What do you hate about Chad the most? Well, about your partner the most.
Yeah.
What do you hate about your partner the most? Why I get all the hard
She said
questions?
she always loves me, she cares for me. I mean, she never says nothing wrong, you know. So I'm just waiting to hear if she...
Me? Okay, I have the perfect answer.
Yeah, no.
When I'm telling him something serious and he turns it into a joke. I'm discussing it's something serious to him, and then he just starts to joke about it. And then I get so mad because I'm so serious and he's joking.
In life, you're gonna have challenges, and one of them, you know, me just joke
around.
It's
not taking anything serious.
And I'm not gonna take it serious because it's, well, other than from like, you know, family matters or stuff like that, but I mean,
don't you think that's annoying?
Yeah, but I feel like if you approach it the wrong way, that's why I'm joking out, you know what I mean? If you approach it the wrong way, something is gonna happen, you know? You just
whatever.
You don't want to have a heart attack right away, okay?
No,
you
whatever.
laugh about it and say, oh shit.
Whatever, it's annoying. Team Daniel, no drinking or shotting. Alright.
What kind of shake is that? The whole body a shake.
Next one is for you. I'm gonna put some sprinkles in this so it gets a bad one.
This sounds like a voodoo thing. Here we go. Oh my god, this is 2 centimeters.
Oh no!
Bear with me. Do you think I'm more attractive now or when we first met?
Oh my!
But that's a question to me, to you.
Yes, do you think
yeah.
Do you think I'm more attractive now or when you first met me?
Of course.
I'm listening.
Of course. Can you stop?
I'm listening.
Alright, guys. You know there's a bar, right? A bar, like a woman that you look at and you start dating, right?
Choose your words wisely.
The bar is like right here when I met Danielle, and you know, like we got more closer and closer, and then we got married. We have a child together.
Get to the point.
I know that she's my, you know, my wife, and she's the mother of my child.
To the point.
She's like up here now, bro.
Good answer.
No, but it's true though. Like you're more attractive now because now it's like, damn. Like every time I look on Dennis, sometimes I just want, you know.
Oh my god. PG-13.
I ain't gonna lie, girl. Not gonna lie. You're not shaking your voodoo thing. My voodoo thing though.
No, I don't trust you.
Get the worst one. Come on. Go for it. Go for it. Go for it.
I have to do my own spin. Oh no! Have you ever considered breaking up?
Have you?
I'm gonna drink.
I mean, you could say yes and then tell me why. You could say yes. I mean, yeah, I've considered breaking up with Danielle too.
Especially in the beginning.
Yeah.
When we just met.
Yeah, it was
okay, so I don't have to drink.
Yeah. No, you're drinking regardless because you say you want to drink.
I answered it.
You are going to drink.
Guys, in the beginning, I think me and Chad hated each other. Like in the beginning.
Oh, well,
no, you said lime first.
Alright.
You can put that in the shot glass.
Alright. This lime juice feels very empty.
Yeah.
That means you must get mustard. Hold on.
Oh my god. Okay, I'll take that.
Alright, that's the end of the lime juice.
No, but I answered it, so technically I don't need to say.
Drink this up, man. If you guys know, lime juice is very sour.
Of course I know.
Very limey. Rum till I die, rum till I die. You good? You good now, Majid? You speaking English?
Even though technically I answered, so I shouldn't have to drink.
No, you know, in life you're gonna have challenges, and one of them is not to drink right now because my head starts spinning already after that one shot. I ain't gonna lie, I hate liquor.
We are
like hard liquor. Yeah, hard liquor. I can drink beer and them things, but hard liquor, not for me. What's your body count?
I was so happy I didn't get that one.
Oh God.
Do you want me to pour you a drink?
Oh.
Do you want me to pour you a drink?
I'm gonna take a shot for this because if I tell you guys my body count, you guys will be like, huh?
Oh really?
Yeah.
Okay.
It can go left or right. I'm not gonna.
Okay.
Me now. No. Me not left on that.
Okay. We're gonna have to talk after this.
Me not left on that. You can pour out the drink. I'll be happy and glad to.
I'll pour way more than the last
I'll be
time.
happy and glad to, you know, drink the shots, you know. You know, cheers to the body count.
Oh, really?
Me now give out that.
My hands are so cold, that was in the freezer.
Here, cheers. Oh.
Good.
The dogs are looking at me right now.
At least you'll suffer in one way.
Yeah man, we're in a freeze. It's really cold. And if you guys don't know, liquor don't freeze, you know? And it's
that's been
like
in the
ice
freezer.
cold. It feel like ice. Like it feel like
my
ice.
hands are like frozen. Oh, it's my turn.
No, move from your man. You're the damn thief. Go through now. Go through.
Is this game over?
No.
Have you ever had an exciting dream about me?
About me?
Yeah. Maybe.
Like in the bedroom type of thing?
I guess what's exciting.
Like, have you ever? Because me always do. I always do.
Well, yes.
Don't lie. Just be serious. Be serious.
I'm serious.
Have you ever with somebody else?
No, that's not the question. Please answer only the questions that are in the hat. And my answer is yes, and I will not elaborate. Because it did not say you have to tell what the experience was.
But I mean, you could say something like a detail.
It just asked, did you ever? And I answered yes.
Okay.
But that's it.
Can you give me a kiss? Alright, we're good then.
No.
You guys ain't gonna know until we like on the camera. I'm gonna find out.
We're not good after the body count question. Alright, come. It's coming down to the wire. Only have 3 left.
Is there any more like body count?
Just answer.
Oh god, because yo, that patrona kicking me head right now like a kick.
What? Yo.
When did you know you wanted to marry me? Okay, when did I want to know that I want to marry Daniel? It was a very long time. I was waiting for the right moment, and the right moment is when I actually moved in with Daniel, and
probably the second home.
The second apartment was official because we were going through a rough patch in our life, and yeah, we didn't tell nobody nothing, whatever. But yeah, it was a concrete moment that me and Daniel was a ride or die. Daniel was a ride or die.
It's not about you, sir. It's about me.
Daniel was a ride or die. And I was like, yeah, she is the one. And then I said, yes, we have to get married. We have to get married.
Aww.
I'm gonna give you some mustard.
No.
Halal shamala, don't get the wrong one. Oh my god.
Come on, this is my last one.
Got one more left.
I hope it's something bad. Oh my god. How many people have seen you naked? Just pass the mustard.
We need to know how many people see you naked.
Mustard, please.
Alright. Mustard, you want?
You can't shut it like that. How am I gonna get it out?
Alright, we're going to shoot it down her.
No.
No, you know that alright. Come. I mean,
oh.
Alright,
that's it.
Yeah, that's good enough, you know? Like, I don't know if you can see that, but it's a lot. Yep.
That's like mixed in with...
Yeah, with lime juice. Perfect. And I will always... Guys, Daniel hates mustard on anything.
Just hurry up and finish. We don't have water right here.
Alright, so we got...
How do people eat mustard?
I mean, mustard and ketchup is nice together when you're eating out. Why? Why?
You know what you like, it's okay.
What are you shaking? Are you drunk, brother?
It's yours.
Are you drunk? Because there's only one left in here. Really? Why are you shaking it?
Oh, I didn't realize.
Turn it off! You drunk? You drunk and you drink mustard?
Drunk half a mustard.
Oh god. What restaurant would you describe your partner?
As like what, if you had to choose a restaurant?
Yeah, if I had to choose a restaurant, what would you describe you? I mean, oh, by the way guys, if you guys don't know, our first date, actual official date was Red Lobster.
Yeah.
And yeah, I was...
No, please don't describe me.
I didn't ever seen as a Red Lobster girl, you know.
No.
I know you like
I hate
seafood.
Red Lobster. So what would you describe me as? Yummy.
Yeah, KFC.
KFC? Wait, if it's Jamaican KFC.
No, a joke.
No. Okay.
My favorite place to go to that I only go once a year, that I try to go every year.
Where?
And you should know this. It is called Texas de Brazil.
But the concept of Texas de Brazil is getting all kinds of different food coming to your table.
No, but it's like high-end meat. Like it's like high quality meat, you know. That's the only expensive place we know, really and truly.
No, that's the only expensive place you like. That you always go back to.
I put you to Texas de Brazil. You could have been worse. You could have been in KFC, the one out here in America.
No, because it was. I was.
What did What do you drink? Did you drink? Did you drink? Like, are you speaking English right now?
All right, let's start and end this.
Love you guys. Thank you guys for your love and support. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Make sure to subscribe to the below channel right down below right now. You can subscribe to Daniel's channel. You can subscribe to Life with the Subbies, because that's our vlogs. And then my gaming channel. Go ahead and go down to the description. Love you guys. Thank you guys. Make sure to share this video, like it, comment, and if you guys are on Live with the Subbies, we won't be posting a live, unfortunately, because
on Sunday, because it's Mother's Day.
Mother's Day, and I'll be filming as well, because we have to film the whole day as well, because my mother's coming over, and yeah, we'll get a little taste of that on Monday. So I apologize for that. Thank you guys for the support. We can't say this enough. Love you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. We'll see you guys another time. Another place.
Another time.
And another mustard.
Another
Peace.
Texas Brazil.
I love you guys.